Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing fried lotus root. Whether or not you are familiar with lotus root, this easy and delicious appetizer will indeed become a favorite. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1 lotus root, oil for frying. For the butter, 4 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of potato starch, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 6 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Peel the lotus root, slice it and cut it into half rounds. Step 2. Soak the lotus root for 5 minutes, drain completely, and dry them with a paper towel. Step 3. Add the butter ingredients to a bowl and blend well. Step 4. Pour oil into a frying pan and warm it up. Dip the lotus root slices in the butter, put them in the pan, and deep fry until slightly browned. Step 5. Flip them over and cook for 1 more minute. Place them on a cooling rack to drain excess oil. Serve the fried lotus root along with your favorite dipping sauce. My personal favorites are mayonnaise and ketchup. I hope you enjoyed this crunchy lotus root appetizer. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.